You're welcome to All Africa TV and you're watching Kharis tutorials. I'm Simeon. In this tutorial, I'll be taking us on how to sew a simple off-shoulder dress. In our last class, we've done the cutting, and this is what we have: the front, the back, and also the sleeves. And in a few minutes, we're going to be done with the sewing. So let's move on. Remember, in our cutting we have -4 inches, the under bust measurement 14 inches, and the under bust circumference is 36 inches. 36 divided by 2 will give us 18 inches. So I'm going to add 1 inch to that. That is 39 inches. And altogether I have 23 inches. So that means we have 4 inches excess. So that would be 2 inches on each side. 2 inches and 2 inches. The waist measurement 39 inches. 39 divided by 2 will give us 19.5 inches. 19.5 inches. Still, I'll add 1 inch to that. That will give us 20.5 inches. So it means here I have 23.5 inches. That means I have 1.5 and 1.5 inch on the other side. Now the hip. The hip measurements is 49 inches, and 49 divided by 2 will give us, let's just approximate it to be 22.5 inches. So 22.5 inches, I'm going to add 1 inch, and that will give us 23.5 inches. So here I have 26.5 inches. That means we have 3 inches excess. So I'm going to have 1.5 inches on each side. 1.5 and 1.5. Now, all I'm just going to do to the base of this dress is to bring out the same measurements, because I'm bringing it straight down. It's not going to be penciled. So the same measurement of 23.5 inches is what I'm going to measure at the base of my dress. So let's bring out the shape. Now I'm going to move to the sleeve, and to join the sleeve, first I'm going to turn and fold the base of the sleeve. So I'm just going to measure 1 inch. I'm going to measure 1 inch to fold the base of the sleeve before bringing out the measurements. So I have 1 inch. Now the round sleeve measurements. We have the round sleeve to be 14 inches, so 14 divided by 2 will give us 7 inches. 7 inches. So I'm going to join and also join the other sleeve. To join the sleeve to the dress, we have to be sure that the two joinings align, both the one on the sleeve and the one on the main dress. The joining by the side of our dress and the joining on the sleeve must align while joining the sleeve to the dress. Now the next thing we're going to do is to fold the base of our dress. After that, I'm going to turn the neck. I'm going to turn around with a bias binding. But first, let's fold in the base of the dress. So before I tape the neck of the dress, I have to be sure the round shoulder measurement. My round shoulder measurement is 44 inches, and 44 divided by 2 is 22 inches. So now I can tape with my bias binding. All I'll just do is, from the face of the dress, I'm going to place my bias binding. I'll notch and top stitch on the bias before turning inside. So yeah, you see, it's very fast. And wow, that's the end of the sewing. It can be used with the belts, and that's the end. I told you we'll be done in less than 30 minutes, and here we are done with the sewing of our simple off-shoulder dress. So thanks for watching Kharis tutorials. If you enjoyed the class, click on the subscribe button, and also don't forget to click on the notification button so you can get notification each time we post a new video. I remain Simeon Grace, and you can leave your comments in the comment box below. Don't forget, you can follow us on Facebook and on Instagram at Africa TV, and follow me on Facebook and on Instagram at Kharis Kreations. Till I see you next class. Bye.